channel, Succulent House. It's all about my passion for succulents, cacti, and gardening. And if you are new in this channel, please hit that subscribe button and also that like and also that bell notification so that you'll be notified every time we post a new video. So in today's video, if you've watched my last video, you know that we've unpacked a couple of succulents for wedding souvenirs. But today, and together with that unboxing, we've actually ordered a couple of cacti, just a few of them. And today, I'm going to show you the vertical garden project that I'm working on. It's just a part of the wall of our bahay kubo. And Cactus Caffeine, it's also a great channel about cacti, and she's one of my inspiration for collecting cacti. I'm not really a big cacti collector. I'm mostly echeveria and succulents, but I do have a small amount of cacti that I take care of. So she suggested that I expose Cactus Caffeine. I'll link her channel down below. And she suggested that I should expose all of my cacti to more sunlight. So since December na, and it's already the cold season here in the Philippines, and here in Aklan it's mostly rainy from November until December. It's just the rainy season. So I decided, instead of putting these babies in the greenhouse, which they might not get more sunlight, because I'll show you later, yung bubong ng greenhouse namin, or the roof itself, is already covered with the canopy of 2 trees. So I'm not getting as much sunlight compared to the sunlight that we were getting a few years back. So the best solution for me for now, instead of deconstructing the greenhouse, is to create a vertical garden, which I will show you later. So Cactus Caffeine asked me how did I do the vertical garden, because I posted a photo of that on Instagram. Please do follow me on Instagram. So I posted a photo of that, and she asked me how I did the pots, hang the pots. So I used 2 kinds of pots. One is the plastic pot that I'll show you later, and the other one is this nursery pot. It's very soft, and I got this at City Hardware, and it's only 2 pesos and 50 cents. So what I did was I put a hole. Since it's very soft, I actually just used a nail cutter so that I can control the hole that I'm making. I was afraid of making a huge one. And then I used this cable tie, put it inside the hole so that I can fix this in the vertical garden. So I'll show you what I did. I prepared a dozen of this because I received just a couple of cacti, which we will hang today. So this is the vertical garden that I did 2 days ago. So if you noticed, there's a lot of trees, and that's our greenhouse. So before, hindi naman siya ganyang kadami ng plants, or I mean the canopy of the coconut tree and the yellow bell is taking over the entire roof. So instead of fixing the greenhouse first, since it's going to require a lot of budget and manpower, I chose, since the afternoon sun is actually directed towards this wall, this is why I asked my husband. This steel is originally part of our greenhouse. It was one of the, yung lalagyan ng plants, it was one of the rack. So we removed it, and I asked him to place it there so that I can hang plants. So if you notice, there are 2 kinds of pots that I use. This one is a hard plastic pot that you can see. So what I did is I put a hole here using I used a screwdriver, and then I put it under fire, and then I put a hole here, and then I used the cable tie. So the same idea is applied to the black pots. But if you notice, this ones, kasi dito na talaga sila nakatanim before. Not double pot, but most of them are double potted, like this one. The reason I instead of planting them here is that, so just in case I wanted to replace the cacti that is here, I can just take it out and change the cacti that's displayed there. So yan. So most of them are double potted. Even this one, it's double potted. You can see the different color inside. And naubos na. I ran out of the plastic pots, so I used the nursery pots there. So I still have a couple, and let's put those in here as well. So this is the final look of the vertical garden. I added some white marble toppings in some of the pots. There. And then the new ones on top. There. So if I step back, that's how many layers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you get inspired for today's video, and if you do have your own vertical garden, please post a comment down below, and I'd love to hear your thoughts about it. Thank you so much for joining. Please comment, subscribe, and like or share this video. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. See you on my next video. Bye.